In case you missed it, you don't need to be a famous face or have millions of followers to make money on Instagram. Yep, you heard that right. In fact, thanks to the booming creator economy, which, PS, is estimated to be a cool $1 billion industry, it's never been a more lucrative time to be a content creator. Can you say cha-ching? You're going to want to stick around because today we're sharing 3 ways to monetize your Instagram. Number 1, partner with brands. Step 1 to cashing in on your content is to partner with brands. One of the most effective and easiest ways to get on a brand's radar is to send them a pitch email or direct message on Instagram. If you're going the DM route, we suggest using this mode to find out who the right email point of contact is. Keep in mind that brands don't want long pitches via DMs, so it's best to keep these short and sweet. Use DMs to ask if they're currently working with influencers, and if so, who you should reach out to via email. Once you've snagged the correct email address, here's what you'll want to include in your initial message to get the ball rolling. First, make sure to introduce yourself. From there, ask about any upcoming collaboration opportunities. Summarize your experience and audience demographics, and provide a media kit if you have one. It can also be worthwhile to provide 2 or 3 content ideas for them to consider. That way they can visualize the partnership. Plus, it'll show them that you understand how to position their products or services with your audience. Then you just have to sit back and watch the checks clear. Number 2, embrace affiliate marketing. Another way to add funds to the bank account? Embrace affiliate marketing. But wait, rewind. What is affiliate marketing? Essentially, affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission on the clicks or sales you drive on behalf of a brand. So, while affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it can be highly lucrative and add another stream of income for you. One way to get started with affiliate marketing is through affiliate programs like Reward Style or Amazon Associates. You'll simply use a unique tracking link, aka an affiliate link, to track traffic and see how many followers you're turning into leads or customers. So, if you already share shoppable content and are a trusted source of inspiration to your followers, affiliate marketing could be a great way for you to reap the rewards. Number 3, use Linkin.bio to drive sales. Now, we've said it once and we'll say it again. The link in your bio is your best friend. If you have a product or service to sell, using a Linkin.bio tool is one of the best ways to turn followers into paying customers. And with Linkin.bio by Later's Shopify integration, you can streamline the path to purchase so followers can virtually shop till they virtually drop. If you have a Shopify store, you can tag up to 5 products directly in your Linkin.bio feed posts. Plus, the shopping integration lets you see exactly what is generating clicks and sales to help inform your social strategy. Now that math is mathing, Linkin.bio by Later makes the most out of the single link in your Instagram bio, generating more traffic and sales than ever before. And the best part, you can get started for free. Talk about a major bag alert. If you want even more ways to monetize your Instagram, we'll link a couple of blogs in the description that are worth bookmarking too. And PS, this video idea came directly from our comment section, so be sure to let us know what social media topics you'd like us to cover in the next video. Until next time, see you later.